Good morning, students. So today we will learn a new chapter, that is chapter 9, measurement. So your exams and all has over. So now again we'll start with new chapter, new topic. So let's start and let's start practicing. Whatever will be taught to you, you just keep write down everything in your copy, and whatever will be given to you as a note in the classes, in each and every classes. So you'll start writing from now onwards. Don't keep it that fine you are some questions are given that I will write it later on. Don't do that. You continue writing whatever will be given to you. Keep on writing the things. Keep your things up to date. Don't keep it for later on. And yes, one more thing is that present in the class, attend the classes regularly. Fine. Okay, so today we will learn chapter 9, that is measurement. So measurement means what? How? Here we will learn how can we measure things. So what are the units that we use to measure things? So we will basically discuss with the measurement of length. Fine, we will discuss with the measurement of length. How can we measure length? So not only length, in the other higher classes you will learn the measurement of length, the measurement of mass, that is weight, then the measurement of that is volume. How can we measure volume? Okay, all these things we will learn one by one, but then here we will basically mainly discuss about length. Length means, you know what is length? Suppose, what is the length, or what is the distance from here till here? What is the length of this green board? So that is what the length. So to measure this length, what we use, what units we take to measure this length. Now earlier what happened? Earlier people used to measure the length with the help of what? With the help of foot. Footstep. With the help of footstep. What is the footstep of my? Suppose this is the footstep. Just I am drawing a simply I'm drawing. Suppose this is the footstep of a person. So they used to use this footstep to measure, and what else? Footstep they used to use. Then foot space. Space means what is the, from here till here how much distance they have taken. Again from here to here how much distance they have taken. These are the units they used to take earlier. Okay, they used to use foot, then pace, then they use hand span. That means hand span is means what is hand span? Hand span means this one, like this they used to. Suppose what is the measure of this board? How they used to measure? They used to measure from here to here like this. 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 hand span. This way they used to measure the things. And also cubit. You know what is cubit? They used to take this one also. Cubit means from here till here like this. Like this they used to measure. This is cubit. 1 cubit. So in this way they used to measure earlier. But then what happened? These things could not able to continue for longer, because these were not the standard unit. These were not at all the standard unit. Why they are not standard? They were not standard because all the foot, everyone's foot are not same. Everyone's cubit is not same. Now my cubit is from here to here it is, but someone's cubit may be greater than mine, someone's cubit may be less than mine, someone's hand span may be different. My hand span is this much, your hand span will be smaller. Okay, my friend's hand span will be much more than me or less than mine. So since all the hand span or this cubit or pace or foot, these were not equal of all the persons. Different persons will have different hand span, different cubit. So that's why they could not able to use these units as a measurement. So they were not the standard unit to measure the things. Whatever things it may be, they were not the standard unit to measure the things. So what happened? That is why these were not suitable to measure the things. Now suppose I have brought something. Suppose this is the duster. Now what is the length? What is the length of this duster? The length of this duster, will I say that it is less than 1 hand span? I cannot say that it's less than 1 hand span. Maybe the measurement of this duster will be your hand span. If you measure, maybe it will be for your hand span. So you will say that this is the measurement of this duster is my hand span. Someone will say no, it's not, it is greater than my hand span. I will say it is less than my hand span. How much less? So that is why it was not at all suitable to measure the things with these units. That is why what happened? they are developed the standard units of measurement. So what are the standard units of measurement? The standard units of measurement that we use now to measure the length are centimeter, then meters. I think you have heard this word centimeter and meter. So centimeter, it is used to measure what things? Small things. And meter is used to measure big things. Fine. Now what we will use to measure to measure small things? What kind of like, suppose to measure this duster, what we will use? We will use centimeters. We'll use the unit centimeter. We cannot use meter, because why? Meter is a larger unit. Now I think you have seen, you have ruler with you. Ruler, everyone has a ruler in your box. So in your box, that ruler that represents 1 centimeter, in this way 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. You will find that in your the ruler that you have, that contains 15 centimeter, and the big ruler, it will be something 30 centimeter. So those rulers, with those ruler we can measure the small units, small things. Okay, I will show you now. So now what I was saying is that how can, so this is the ruler, so all of you have this ruler. So this ruler is used to measure the smaller units. What are the smallest? Suppose I want to measure this duster. So how to measure this duster? What is the length of this duster? To measure the length of this duster, what I can do? I can use this ruler. So from here, if I measure this, it will be something 12.5 centimeter. Something 12.5 centimeter. So what I will use to measure this chalk? I will use obviously this ruler. I can measure this chalk in this way. It is something 7 centimeter or 8 centimeter. Similarly, to measure this pen, what I will do? I will use this ruler. So this ruler I will use, and then I will check in this way. You will find that it is something 12 centimeter. So in this way you can measure whatever small things are there around you. You can measure this with the help of this ruler. Many things you can measure. Even this is the sanitizer that we use. So this sanitizer also you can, it's a small bottle, so we cannot use a meter. So you can use this ruler and you can find out what is the length of this sanitizer bottle. So if you measure it, you will get something 10 to 11 centimeter. So in this way you can measure the things around you, whatever things are around you, with the help of this ruler. Fine. You may have a big ruler which is of 30 centimeter. With that ruler also you can measure different things. Whatever you will find around you, you can measure, and you can see the measurement, what is the length of those things. Now, so with this to measure these small things, we will use ruler. Ruler means we will use the unit what? We'll use this unit centimeter. So which can be written as cm as well. The short form of this centimeter is cm. So we will use this unit centimeter to measure the small things. Now when we will use this meter, the short form of meter is m. So when we will use this meter, so meter is used to measure big things like the length of the bus, the length of a pole, the length of the length of your bed. So these things we use meter to measure the length of the bigger units. So there's a relation between centimeter and meter. What is the relation between centimeter and meter? So the relation between centimeter and meter is that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So when you have a scale of 100 centimeter, then when you have a scale of 100 centimeter, normally those measurement tab, with that measurement tab you will get 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. So this meter we use to measure the big things, like as I told you the examples that I have given you. Now you will get in your book, now you will get in your book those the exercise, the first exercise and all that you have to answer, like what units we will use. Either we will use centimeter or you will use meter to measure the different things. So that we will do now. After that we will get the addition of addition of length with the help of meter and centimeter. So let us do those addition of length. I think till here it is clear. So to do the addition of length of measurement with the help of meter and centimeter, that we can do, suppose here we are adding 24 meter and 13 meter. We can add it 24 meter and 13 meter. Just normally you have to add 4 plus 3, how much? 7, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 37 meter. Similarly, you can add centimeter also. 29 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. cm, you can add it. It is 32 centimeter. This way you can add. You can also subtract the same units. How we will subtract? As we have done earlier. So this is how we can add. Now to subtract things, what we will do? Similarly, you will do, suppose 90 meter minus 25 meter, you subtract it. 5 hand over 1 and minus 2 is 7, 1 6. In this way you can subtract the units. Fine. This way you can subtract the units. Is it visible? So clear till here? This is how you can subtract the units. This is how you can add the units. Okay. So we are done till here. Now we will do the exercise which is given in your book. So any doubt you have, you can ask. Fine. Okay. Thank you.